Let's have a look at the few examples of Kangen device installations. As you might have noticed, every single photo that you've seen, the Kangen device is on top of the counter. The reason is these devices is designed to be on top of the counter. If you decide to install it under the counter, first thing what happens is it voids the warranty the Kangen device comes with, which is 5 years. On top of that, the reason is not designed to be under counter because once you stop the water from running, the remaining water will go all the way back to the Kangen device, which may damage the Kangen device or its plates. That's why we always recommend to have it on top of the counter. Change your water, change your life.